तजुर्बे ने अपने नूर से कायनात उकेरी है, हमें संवारना है इसे आफताब बनकर। बढ़ते कदमों ने पीछे एक इबारत छोड़ी है, जो रहबर रहेगी साथ एक किताब बनकर।
On the occasion of its 56th year of establishment, I congratulate all the faculty members, non-academic staff members and students for their immense contribution for the development of this institute.
वर्ष 1963 में भोपाल स्थित श्यामलागिरी विस्तार के क्षितिज पर रीजनल कॉलेज एक नए दिनमान के रूप में उदित हुआ, जो आज वर्तमान में रीजनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एजुकेशन के नाम से विख्यात है।
In the long 56 years, the institute has set a number of milestones by successfully organizing different national and international events. For example, National ICT Mela and Kalautsav, wherein more than 1500 students and teachers from across the country participated.
NCERT के द्वारा स्थापित शिक्षा के इस प्रतिष्ठित तरुवर ने समय के साथ ज्ञान के अनंत आकाश में शिक्षा की ऐसी शाखाओं को विस्तार दिया, जिसके आश्रय में आकर अनेक शिक्षाविद और मनीषियों ने अपनी शिक्षा साधना को सिद्ध किया है।
I am Dr. J.S. Grewal. I retired as professor and head education department and also dean. I am among those staff members who joined the college in the beginning year 1964. Regional College of Education Bhopal started functioning in the year 1964, July 1964. We were among the first 6-7 staff members who started these programs. The purpose of starting or establishing regional colleges of education was to prepare teachers who could meet the needs of integrated curriculum. As you may be aware, in 1953, Secondary Education Commission recommended that we should prepare teachers for different streams, namely science, commerce, industrial crafts, social sciences and other areas. It was at that time that craft education was also added. For meeting these needs of these categories of teachers, we had to prepare teachers who could provide a leading role to other teachers in the three regions of the country.
जिज्ञासा ज्ञान प्राप्त करने का प्रथम गुण है। प्रतिस्पर्धा के दौर में विद्यार्थियों का मनोबल बढ़े, इसके लिए एक स्वस्थ प्रतियोगिता की आवश्यकता होती है।
In the beginning, in the beginning years, we had different programs. That is 4-year teacher education program in science, technology, 1-year B.Ed program leading to B.Ed degree in science, arts, fine arts, commerce and other areas. 2-year B.Ed teacher education program was started in the area of industrial crafts. 2-year industrial crafts degree course as well as a diploma course. All the staff members were required to celebrate this program. I did not mention in the beginning that when the college was started, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma was the education minister. We used to invite him and he very happily accepted our invitations. I remember that we invited him once for the Students' Union inauguration. It was held in the library and he came. Later on, when he was governor of Maharashtra state, we were celebrating the Silver Jubilee program. We invited him and he came. And he was very happy to associate. We have different pictures of that function. Director of NCRT and other staff members came. But those who had started the program, they were invited to sit on the dais. And Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma announced that it was at that point of time or bit later that he announced that he wants to give a gold medal to the student who stood first in the 4-year program.
RI अपने आप में एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट है जो कि हमें ना सिर्फ एकेडमिकली बल्कि कल्चरल, साइंटिफिक एंड स्पोर्ट्स हर तरीके के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अपना ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट करने में मदद करता है। यहाँ के सारे टीचर्स, जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि हम सारे हॉस्टलर्स हैं और बहुत सारे बच्चे अदर स्टेट से आए हैं, तो सारे टीचर्स उन्हें पेरेंट्स की तरह गाइड करते हैं। और यहाँ की एक अच्छी लाइब्रेरी भी है जहाँ से हमें बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे रिसोर्सेज पढ़ने के लिए मिलते हैं।
From 1964 to 95 it was known as college. They said there are so many colleges in the state and PGBT colleges are also there. You should be upgraded to the status of a institute. An institute can run a number of programs, both pre-service and in service.
संस्थान का विजन शिक्षा जगत के लिए देश को ऐसे शिक्षक उपलब्ध कराना है जो शिक्षा और अनुसंधान में श्रेष्ठ हों, साथ ही नैतिक और मानवीय दृष्टि से भारतीय संस्कृति और संस्कार से भी सुसज्जित हों।
मैं बड़ी खुशकिस्मत हूँ कि मैं क्षेत्रीय शिक्षा संस्थान भोपाल, जो उस समय रीजनल कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन के नाम से जाना जाता था, यहाँ की स्टूडेंट भी रह चुकी हूँ। 81-82 में मैंने बीएड एलिमेंट्री कोर्स में यहाँ एडमिशन लिया और बड़े ही खुशनुमा दिन थे वे। सचमुच मैं आज भी गौरवान्वित हूँ जिन पलों में मैंने यहाँ एडमिशन लिया, क्योंकि ये कॉलेज एक ऐसा कॉलेज है जहाँ पर हमें शिक्षा के साथ में संस्कार भी दिए जाते हैं।
The institute has two international collaborative projects. One that is with Curtin University, Australia, which collaborates on STEM education, science, technology, engineering and mathematics education. And another important event is that the institute also has a collaboration in the field of vocational education with CRIVET, South Korea.